Fully automatic blood pressure and pulse measurements with the Beurer BC16 wrist blood pressure monitor. Just rest the device on your wrist and the BC16 will reveal your results on the large display. The blood pressure monitoring device helps you analyze your vital statistics and interprets the results according to the World Health Organization guidelines. Another feature of the BC16 is its arrhythmia identification. This function reliably informs the user of any heartbeat irregularities. Thanks to the 2x50 memory space, you can keep track of your data over long periods. When it comes to health, be on the safe side with the Beurer BC16 wrist blood pressure monitor.